I was recording.
Ooh.
Nice. What's yours?
Hi.
There we go. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. That's gonna be the intro, by the way. So you're in that. You're welcome. Oh, Mihai didn't get in it. You gotta do something funny for the camera.
No, not funny.
Alright, so that's about all I'm gonna get out of Mihai. Okay, so today we're gonna be working on the 240 some more. I'm gonna try and get the drive shaft bolted up, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm having some troubles right now. So I have an S14 SR transmission, and I believe because of that I might need a new drive shaft. So I'm a little worried, but you know what? We're just gonna make the most of it. I might just be an idiot and be, really? You gotta do that?
I didn't know it was gonna be that loud.
Anyways, what I was saying. So because of that, I think I might need an S14 SR drive shaft as well, but I might just be wrong. I've never actually put the drive shaft back in. I've just taken it out. So we'll find out pretty quickly here. I just messaged Damien, and then we'll be in the video. Harinder's probably gonna film. You want to go talk about your car?
No.
Here,
You don't want to talk about your car?
Come with me. Come with me.
Oh, Madison's got it.
Welcome to the shit box.
So this is my car. It's a Ford Jetta.
Yeah, let's go over this way. Alright, tell us about your bagged out beauty.
So it's on cut stock springs.
As you can tell, fitment's terrible.
Icy.
Terrible fitment.
Bags,
stage
wheels
2.
done.
Oh my god. Okay, so your car's never gonna be in a video again. Okay, so Harinder's Mark IV Jetta.
Yeah.
What year?
03.
03?
Yep.
It's on airlift.
Yeah.
V2.
V2 management.
V2 management. Roadie form. What?
INDTs refinished with block windows and machined faces.
Yeah. Almost full GLI conversion on the outside.
Yep.
Minus
Side skirt
that and the front bumper, and yeah.
Oh, the rub strip?
Like the rub strip, I mean. Yeah.
Hi.
Do you not know how to drive?
Fucking rips off. It's too low.
Oh my god.
The Civic would never do that.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Fix it maybe?
Can't when you're dirt nasty low.
What else? Oh, it's stage 2, right?
Yeah.
So stage APR stage 2?
Unitronic.
Unitronic stage 2.
Uh-huh.
So like 200 and something, maybe?
About 90 wheel horsepower. Sometimes the hood doesn't open. Ooh,
Oh.
lucky. We got them Porsche coolant caps.
Didn't you just put these on today?
Yeah, and then the coolant bubble I just changed. Hey,
Okay.
Hey, Mihai, what are you doing? You taking it?
Yeah. I'll give you mine.
Okay.
New
Speed intake,
You have a
turbo on the
blow-off
pipe. Ford splitter valve.
valve. That's not even like bolted on or anything.
I literally
it
just
sits there.
just put it on today.
Okay.
It
Anyways,
was really
take
dirty.
it back off so we can see.
Oh, okay.
What kind of a blow-off valve?
It's a Ford splitter valve and a ECS tuning race valve.
Is it a diverter or blow-off?
Both splitter.
Oh, okay, I see, I see. I'm
Why
not
is
used
he
to this
taking my-
Volkswagen because he wants to see if it fits on his car
She
properly.
wears this for work. She's 28 years old.
So yeah, there'll probably be some more on Harinder's car eventually in the future. But-
Control arm's coming. My hands are filthy now. Thanks.
And you guys haven't really seen Mihai's car, so we'll show his car too. So this is Mihai's Mark 6 facelift Jetta TSI. It is stage 1 on coils, real BBS's. Oh, I can't show your intake, Mihai.
Why?
It's got an obscenity on it or whatever. So Mickey Mouse is pointing at you, and it's got a Go Fast Bits, no, CTS diverter, and some charge pipe and discharge pipe.
Not
and
family
intake.
friendly.
It's just Mickey Mouse pointing. He's just doing
Middle
this.
finger.
No, he's just doing this.
Yeah.
He's like, hey you.
Finger anyways.
Hey you. You should look at this car. I guess you could say it's dope. All right, so a little change of plans. We're on our way to the hospital right now because I just sliced my arm open. So I'm a little lightheaded. Feel like I'm intoxicated, but that's okay. So yeah, we're gonna go to the hospital right now and get my arm looked at and probably end up with some stitches. I didn't mess up my tattoo though, so that's really good. So yeah, we're just gonna head there, and I'll keep you guys updated. Don't worry. Yeah, we'll talk to you. We'll talk to you in a few minutes. Help me, I'm dying. Okay, so we've been here for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Almost 3 hours.
What am I doing?
I'm not allowed to film in here, so I'm just doing it kind of nonchalantly, obviously. But yeah, I'll update you once I know what's going on with my arm.
Alright, we're here with Travis. We
Is it
finally made
recording?
it after 3.5 hours.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Can we see it?
If you don't like blood or anything, don't look.
Warning, warning.
Half D's, half D's.
To like driving an equivalent like BMW, like an M3 or something.
Yeah,
like that.
exactly, exactly.
It's not like I'm taking it to the track anyways.
No, but it could.
It could.
That's the thing too. But the Q50s are a bit big. Q60s are pretty nice, but
But then it's just so impractical.
yeah. I worked at Nissan for like a year and a bit, so
Nice.
yeah.
Splash warning.
I don't want your blood in my eyes. It's gross. I don't know where you've been. Alright, the first fun part, I'm just going to put in the local, okay?
All right.
So this will be the worst part. After that, everything will be easy.
Yeah.
Lie down, and the other one's coming up. And then after, we're gonna clean your wound as soon as
Oh, that's not as bad as when it's in the mouth.
Yeah, it's such a tight space in the mouth that it really sort of stretches the tissue, and that's what causes the pain.
Oh, okay.
Here, there's lots of room to expand.
Yeah.
As you'll see in your video afterwards, it's getting pretty puffy.
Oh, okay.
That should make it nice enough.
Ooh, that does swell up pretty good.
Scrub it out. Yeah.
I can't even feel it, so that is no problem.
That's the idea.
Oh my god.
So you just want to get all that dirt out because
Yeah.
any dirt that's not sort of essentially biodegradable, so
Yeah.
like any sort of sediment or mineral,
Right.
it'll permanently tattoo.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I don't
Your skin will
need.
just heal right over it, right?
I mean, I like tattoos, but I don't need one of those tattoos.
No, they're not
I
very
actually
pretty.
have one of those right there.
Yep.
Yeah. I got a sliver and then I just never did anything about it. Wait, before we keep going, don't tell us. Take a guess on how many stitches there'll be.
12.
What do you think?
8.
I'm gonna go with right in the middle at 10. And then we'll see once he's done.
You're all overestimating.
Oh,
So,
really?
I mean,
5.
that means, well, you already win if this is like Price is Right rules, right?
Okay.
Yeah, no,
What,
it's
like 4?
probably 4.
What are the odds that I actually went all the way to the bone?
Unlikely. It was probably
Yeah.
just the force of it that you felt
Oh,
sort
okay.
of like. I mean, the impact may have sort of struck through hitting the bone in the
Right.
same way I could hit you here and bruise your bone. but
Right, okay.
It didn't cut all the way down.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure.
and it will fall off by itself. Oh, yeah.
That's sick.
I'm glad you guys think it's cool. I mean, I wish it wasn't my arm, but like... Alright, you guys, so it is the next day. We're back in the garage. I am alive. I didn't lose my arm. So basically what happened yesterday is I was trying to push the transmission up and my hand slipped and I sliced it on a heat shield. I'll show you what happened in a sec. But yeah, I didn't really explain what happened because I was so out of it in the car. I was feeling really lightheaded. I actually, as soon as the cut happened, unfortunately I didn't get that on film or on video. I walked in my house to grab paper towel to wrap on my arm and tape on, and I almost passed out just walking in because I just like the blood started rushing. And I'm not usually fainty around blood or anything for that matter. I can deal with a lot of stuff, but when I saw how deep it went, oh, it was not good. So I'm gonna go under the car right now and jack the transmission back up, and then I will show you what happened and what I cut my arm on. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so it's very tight down here, so it's kind of hard to show you what happened. But basically, on the end of the transmission here, right here, this black piece was sitting right over the end. It's just like a metal almost, or whatever. It was sitting over the end of the transmission, and I had my hand here. So I was laying this way, and then I had my hand here, and I didn't realize that this popped off so easily, and I was pushing really hard, and then right here on this heat shield, my arm just cut into like that. Like right on this. There might even be some blood on it, I don't know, but anyways, that is what I was trying to do. I was just trying to push the transmission up so we could get the cross member bolted, and then that happened and we rushed to the hospital. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now, obviously, okay, so I didn't realize, I was trying to do the drive shaft yesterday. It's right here. And I thought I had the wrong one, but I was like, it doesn't make sense. Like, it fit with my old transmission, nothing changed. What it is this guy, the one that I accidentally popped off, doesn't have to be on there. And then if I don't have that on there, the drive shaft can slide up enough that it can basically slip into the transmission enough, like the yoke, and then it'll fit on the back end as well. So a very costly mistake could have been avoided if I had just remembered that, or if I had just looked at my other transmission that came out of the car before, because the black thing's not on there. So that was a silly mistake on my part, and it cost me 3 stitches and a big old scar once it's out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the drive shaft now that that's off. I'm going to then probably put the car down and leave it. This might be a shorter video, but this really hurts right now. You can see the blood, sorry. Actually not sorry, because if you watch the earlier part of me getting stitches, then that's nothing for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna try and film, but I don't know what I can do. My tripod doesn't fit down here, even on the lowest setting, so I might just lean the camera up and you'll see me going at it, but we'll see. Who's this loud car coming in here? Ruining my stuff. Hello. Ow! What are you doing? Okay, so I'm doing a really bad job at transitioning this video so far. So Thanks, Mihai. So I have kind of given up on the drive shaft for now because it's not fitting for some reason. I think it might have to do with... Can you stop dying over there? So I think it might be because of my motor mounts, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm just probably gonna leave that for later. I need to get this video done so that I can edit it and upload it. So I'm just gonna go ahead right now and do my spark plugs and coil pack, and then probably end it there because I need to make some calls and stuff, and yep, because I need to figure out this drive shaft situation. Probably gonna end up having to switch back to stock motor mounts, which isn't the end of the world, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll try and figure it out. I called the drive shaft shop to see if I could get it shortened by 1/4 of an inch, and it was like almost 200 bucks Canadian, so no thank you, that is pointless. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my coil packs in now. Everything's blue for that. Okay, so these are my new coil packs. I forgot that I haven't really talked about them yet, but they are P2M coil packs, right. I think. So I'm gonna run these for now. If they crap out, then I'll probably switch to something else, but for now, these, they kind of match everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all these. Alright, so there we go. Coil packs are in, and that's probably where I'm gonna end this. This video was kind of all over the place with me ending up going to the hospital for something stupid. Also, this is it. Okay, you can't really tell. So yeah, 3 stitches and a lot of ouch stuffs.
I'm waiting.
What?
I'm waiting.
Yeah, a lot of waiting. I waited for 4 hours for 3 stitches, so that's good. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and figure out this whole drive shaft situation, and that'll probably be in the next video along with just final touches. So as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.